Our challenge is to develop pandemic-ready industry that can adapt rapidly and continue to operate under stress. We human beings are resilient, adaptable, and innovative species. Our future remains bright, and working together, we will make it so. Participating in international convention gives opportunity to participants to work with people from different countries of the world. This is a golden opportunity to learn from others who are not from your own country. Improvement can happen only when a person has an open mind. The open mind says that whatever work I am doing here, the same work, the similar work is being done somewhere in the same world. But the only difference is he or she is doing maybe 10 times better than me. If you think that no, whatever you are doing, that is the best, then improvement is not possible. So you have to have the mindset that on the same world, someone is doing the same similar work 10 times better than me. Then only the improvement is possible. You all have come on this platform to present your improvements. You all are the best of best teams from your organization, country. So it will be interesting to observe the case studies from other countries to learn how they are doing improvements, at what pace they are doing improvement, because only improvements are not important, but the pace of improvement is also equally important. Can we have a benchmark for the pace of the improvements and quality of the improvement from the participants from other countries? I'm very happy to know that when our Executive Director, Mr. D.K. Srivastava presented a statistics of this international convention, QCFI India created a new benchmark for other countries for the number of teams participation in any international convention. Last 46 years, this international convention is being organized, and this year 900 plus teams participated from all the member countries, which is a record by itself. I am sure other countries will try to break this record and will create a new benchmark as early as possible. The theme of this convention is quality concepts facilitating societal and economic turnaround. Our today's chief guest, Mr. Anil Sardana sir, mentioned that society acceptance of quality is ever changing. And so keep improving standards that society accepts. Use of appropriate quality concepts is the only way to constantly improve the standards which are acceptable by the society. This convention is an excellent platform to learn how in other countries these quality concepts are used for societal and economic turnaround. Our today's keynote speaker, Mr. Arup Chavan sir, from Parle mentioned that how QCFI is helping his organization and its contract manufacturing units to improve quality, productivity, cost, safety continuously for last more than 30 years. I am aware that Mr. D.K. Srivastava and his team members are making a lot of efforts to train the employees of these organizations for continuous improvement. As Dr. Edward Deming mentioned that adopt and practice new philosophy which suits to your people and organization for best results. This convention is a good platform to understand the best practices of different countries and their results. Mr. D.K. Patel and Mr. D.K. Srivastava are working together from 1992 to propagate QC concepts. Coincidentally, both have same initial as D.K. And based on this experience, Mr. D.K. Srivastava has developed one simple model which will be very useful for small organizations. The same model he has explained in his book, namely DK's model on simplified TPM. QCFI has launched Mission 1 Lakh MSME to train employees of small organizations to change their culture and performance.